Our bodies are wonderfully and awesomely made. I remember probably back 4 years old having my first chiropractic care. My parents believed that we heal from the inside out, have been under care ever since. To me, it's like a vacation coming to the office and seeing patients and help them in more ways than they can even imagine. Up until 10, 15, 20 years ago, we had thought that most of our problems come from genetics or an infection. And now there was 2 major studies, and they found that actually the quality of our health and the length of time that we were going to live was really determined more by lifestyle choices. Yeah, my name's Dr. Allan McCord with Kent East Chiropractic. The true lifestyle practice members that are coming in regularly have an understanding about health. So it's like a gym membership. Some people just want to go in the spring. Some people want to do it a lifetime. We help crisis type people as well, but our real focus is lifestyle care oriented people who want to be healthy over a lifetime. Part of the whole mission for us is to have an understanding of what is going on or what's been going on for a patient. So we do a full consultation, which would include what they're experiencing, and then gaining a trauma history background of what had been going on in the patient's life. And then we implement all the test procedures. One of the things that I take a lot of pride in is my ability to really deliver a really good quality adjustment that's going to be positive for the patient. And I have an incredible team that really cares about the health of our patients and their families as well. And so you can feel that from the time that you call to the time that you step in. Another side benefit of our practice here is we have part-time, full-time massage therapy and acupuncture. We find that that really supports a patient in their recovery as well, because they can take the time to work with the muscles that need to be supported and worked out along with the adjustments. But what we really do in the core of our practice here is to make sure the spine is functioning at an optimum level, and we look at the alignment to determine what their flexibilities are, where they're hung up, their restrictions. So we look at that first and foremost. What I really like to see in a practice member, for somebody that's really thrives with what we do here and really can maximize our care, is a person that really takes an initiative to take their health on themselves. So if you're someone that's had nagging pain that just won't seem to go away, or you're tired of chasing symptoms with drugs, there's a good chance that something's out of alignment and we can help you. If so, visit our website or give us a call so we can empower you to have health for life.